Stumpy the four-legged duck was found at a duck farm in the UK in 2007. Those two extra legs didn't help it walk easier or run faster, as the duck had no control of them. They simply just dragged along behind him. Now, most animals with mutations sadly don't live for long, but Stumpy, he lived a normal life. See, genetic mutation is the subject of much speculation and controversy. They are said to be caused by external influences such as chemicals or radiation, or things like when DNA fails to copy correctly after cell division. If you're scared of being bitten by a shark, then for you, this next mutation is going to be a little bit scary. Two-headed sharks are actually a thing, and a lot of people were hoping this image was a hoax, but it's real, and they're starting to appear more often. According to researchers, the blue shark is most likely to produce this two-headed offspring, but they rarely survive long due to their genetic abnormalities. Coming face to face with a shark is scary enough, but coming face to face with a two-headed shark, well, you'd probably pass out in fear before it actually did any damage. This 3-year-old tortoise-shell cat is called Venus, and it's not hard to spot why it's rather unique. Half of her is solid black with a green eye, and the other half is tabby stripes with a blue eye. Scientists have said this cat is incredibly rare, but they were stumped as to try and understand the mutation or explain it. Mutated frogs are always popping up across the world, but this one with 3 heads and 6 legs is incredibly rare. It was discovered at a school in the UK in 2004, and the people who discovered it initially thought it was multiple frogs just cuddling each other or huddling together. Professors at a nearby university said the mutation could have been caused by parasites or pollution. They failed to discover the exact cause due to not examining it, as the frog disappeared from its tank. This peculiar piglet was born in northeastern China, and to me it kinda looks like it was crossed with an elephant. The owner of the piglet, Mr. Hong, said the pig he raised gave birth to 8 piglets and this special one was the second. Sadly, the piglet was born without a mouth and it died 2 hours after it was born. These glittering gold seahorses are a mutation that was caused by us humans. Vietnamese scientists used a gene shooting method to insert a mixture of jellyfish proteins and gold dust into the eggs of normal seahorses. They obviously didn't do this just to make pretty seahorses. They did it for research purposes, whilst looking for cures for things such as diabetes and other incurable diseases. This Cyclops kitten named Clyde was delivered at a vet's after the mother was showing complications during birth. Clyde was the second kitten of the litter, and he emerged with a single large eye and no nose. Sadly, the kitten didn't live for long, and images of it spread rapidly across the internet. When a farmer from Croatia discovered that his goat had given birth to this kid, he had to call his neighbour to confirm he hadn't lost his mind. The strange kid was born with 8 legs and had both male and female reproductive organs. The kid was named Octogoat, and local vets believe this happened because it absorbed its underdeveloped twin while still in the womb. Despite all those legs, Octogoat couldn't stand and couldn't walk, and it's not clear as to how long he lived for. You may not know it, but scientists have often injected many different species with a glow-in-the-dark gene. They don't do it for entertainment, they do it to make them resistant to certain diseases. For example, they've infected cats with a glow-in-the-dark gene to prevent them from getting feline HIV, which affects around 500 million cats around the world. A few of the animals they've infected with these genes include cats, rabbits, chicks and monkeys. This unique frog was discovered in Australia, and I know what you're thinking, that frog has a massive penis. Well, I'm sorry to let you down, but it's not actually a penis. Scientists have said it's just a partially formed leg. Frogs don't even have penises. They mostly use a mating process known as amplexus, and fertilization occurs outside the body. And that brings this list to an end. If you enjoyed the video, then it would be much appreciated if you give it a thumbs up and shared it. If you're new around here, then why not subscribe for new videos just like this every week. Anyways, I jolly well hope you liked it, and as always, thanks for watching.